Apple researchers may have just discovered one of the simplest yet most powerful tricks to make AI smarter: checklists. In a new study, they tested reinforcement learning from checklist feedback, and it improved large language models versus traditional reward systems. So what does this mean for Siri, AI assistance, and productivity? Let's break it down. Once a language model is trained, companies usually refine it with reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. It works like this. The model answers, human labelers vote thumbs up or down, and over time, the model learns what responses people prefer. But there's a catch. Models can learn to look right rather than truly solve the problem. Apple tried something different. Instead of thumbs up or down, they gave the AI a checklist of concrete tasks for each prompt. For example, did it translate into Spanish? Did it keep the numbers unchanged? Did it format the text correctly? Each item is checked, and the answer is scored 0 to 100 based on how well it meets each item. This method is called reinforcement learning from checklist feedback, or RLCF. The results were impressive: a 4-point boost on Follow Bench, a 6-point gain on Info Bench, and higher win rates across other benchmarks. Apple says it was the only method that improved performance on every test they ran. In short, checklists gave a clearer, more granular signal than yes, no rewards. This matters because AI assistants are no longer just answering trivia. We ask them to follow complex multi-step instructions, plan trips, summarize contracts, generate code. Checklists help ensure the AI pays attention to every required detail, producing more reliable outputs. Think of it as the AI doing what humans do, double-checking its own work against a to-do list. That makes assistants more trustworthy for big, complicated requests. As these systems gain agent-like powers to act on our behalf, that extra verification matters a lot. It's about reliability, not just sounding right, but being correct and complete. The checklists themselves were generated by another large model and assembled into a dataset called Wild Checklists, with over 130,000 instructions. A powerful LLM produced the checklist, then graded smaller models on how well they followed it. It's like a teacher model giving exams to student models, and the students learn from those scores. This approach scales because the checklist generator is itself an LLM, reducing manual labeling. Apple is clear about limits. RLCF helps complex instruction following but isn't a universal fix. It requires a bigger model as judge, and it's not designed to prevent harmful or biased outputs by itself. So it's not a silver bullet, but a meaningful step forward. Apple's research shows that sometimes the oldest productivity trick, a simple checklist, can make AI assistants smarter and more reliable. Would you trust Siri more if it double-checked itself with a checklist? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.